beach got new trash cans. Beautiful, sparkly, clean. You don't have to touch this. You just kick over here. It opens so they're not clean. And you just, throw everything you need to throw away. For the longest time, we had those old, ugly looking buckets everywhere over here, and homeless were like digging in it and like making mess all over the place. So now you're not really able to dig in them because you just press, it opens, and you only have this much space, and it just folds and throws everything down. That's how it works. The very sad part is it's a courtesy of JTB Hawaii, which is like a Japanese company. I guess the city can't afford on their own. Police department issued a warning. I should say they posted on their Instagram, when you want to go for a swim in the ocean, you should take your valuables with you in the water. Sadly, there's a lot of theft on the beach. Let me tell you about the tactics that I know of. So if they see someone's stuff unattended, especially when it's close to the sidewalk, they're gonna randomly sit next to the bag and just pretend that they're on the phone or something, and then all of a sudden they grab the bag and they go. No one notices anything. It's just like so random and so unexpected. Like even if you're sitting next to, you're just not really gonna notice because it's not some like erratic behavior, if that makes sense. So always be careful. But it's a well-known fact that these things happen, and police definitely should walk down the beach, up the beach, everywhere on the beach way more often. The other day, like people started to sit on the sidewalk because there's just so much sand on the sidewalk because the city doesn't clean it. People think it's a beach. It's not. It's a sidewalk. It's crazy. This sidewalk has always been very messy, but now it has gotten to the point when there's like so much sand, people think it's the beach, and if you want to walk, the sidewalk is not walkable. You have to walk through the park, and it's literally like it's actual park around it because you can't walk this way. And then you wonder why the wall collapses. I mean, maybe we should maintain it better. Just a thought. I got so excited when I saw the cars because I thought like maybe they started to fix the wall, but no, they're just putting more fences so you physically cannot walk this way anymore if you're trying to get to, I was gonna say Kaimana, but you're physically not able to go to Kaimana because there's another wall that collapsed. But anyway, looks like they are taking a chunk of Barefoot Cafe too, because they're gonna put more fences. So it doesn't look like they're gonna be fixing it anytime soon. It collapsed. So it started over here, right? It collapsed over here first. I would say maybe 6-7 months ago, and then it's obviously been sitting like that. So there's more damage over here, Don't know. July we have canoe races over here, so all the canoe racing clubs come here from all over the island and they do races. Very big, like I think 2 years ago they were very big and the canoes were like literally flipping over, and I remember I was actually talking to some people that were in the race and I was like, are you scared? Because you know, like you're flipping over and this and that and like the wave is like so big, and they go, no, that's actually fun. That ube is like leaking. Look at this. Oh, ube, try ube all day, every day, ube. We have Malasadas in the center of Waikiki, literally, no need to go anywhere. But today we have ube. If you have not tried ube Malasadas, like what are you even doing? Like what are you doing? You haven't been to Hawaii until you tried the ube Malasadas. Trust me on that. Okay, so we have ube, we have coconut cream, and we have Nutella. Look, it's leaking, oh my god. It's warm. And that's the thing to eat Malasadas. They need to be warm. If they're not warm, they're not Malasadas. I don't know who that person is behind the camera. He says he doesn't like ube, like what? Like what? But that's good, because it's more for me and we don't have to share. Look how much filling the coconut one has. A lot. That's a lot of filling. So here's my ranking. 1, 2, 3.